Welcome back, Rich Nation. My name is AJ, and today we're going to be continuing Reincarnated Slime Season 2, Episode 18 and 19. If you guys want to subscribe, definitely subscribe to the channel. I would appreciate that. Smash that like button, hit that notification bell. You can also check out my Patreon, patreon.com/ajrich123 if you want to watch these early and uncut. And let's go ahead and start. You need a trump card, a backup plan, and that he's the ultimate one. Keeping everybody under control is a huge it's a huge thing for Rimuru. Well, now Clayman is the focus. Well, so much for having a trump card, though they're not associating it with Rimuru yet, so might still be able to have a backup plan. Oh, he knows. He really thinks highly of himself. I was really hoping he'd have a backup plan, a legitimate one. Now he just got that screwed over. I know a little bit of doubt is in his head from that, for sure. Are you sure about that? I think the deck is stacked against him, actually. That's so ridiculous. I miss her acting like this. I prefer that Milim. What? Oh, it's controlling her? And that's why she's acting like this now? Oh. Shit, that's what it was. So Milim is being controlled completely. Well then, that answers all those questions. And why she stopped acting like that. What the fuck? It's like he just smoked an entire bowl. What the fuck happened to his eyes? What the fuck? So fucked up. I knew it was weird for such a personality shift. Okay. I already wanted Clayman dead. Let's speed that up, please. Hate him even more. This man is disgusting. Of course he is. He tries to act like a gentleman and nice and calm and collected. He is the opposite of that. Holy shit. I don't think anyone's gonna... Like, I don't think anyone would miss him. Like, seriously. What the fuck? What is that, hell? Ice hell? This seems like a happy place. What the fuck? What the fuck? I guess they said they were missing Yaoi in the show. So that's what they really do not see him as a threat.
クレイマンはやり
リムにとってはいつもの遊びだろうが、魔王間のバランスが崩れるのは面白くない。俺の仕事が増えるしな。賢き者にはバカの考えは読めん。それが数少ない。
He really thinks highly of himself.
渋るならお前に俺を一晩抱かせてやろうかと考えていたんだが、
遠慮する。
釣れないな。
The flirt is strong in this one.
魔王の資格があるというわけか。俺としてはラミリスが興味を持つものならば楽しめるんじゃないかと思っている。
What's the connection between him and Ramery?
そうでもなかろう。
That's really interesting, though. He definitely has ties to her.
暴風竜ベルドラが目覚めたそうだぞ。
あらあら。
在しない竜種その一体。白氷竜のベルドラ。
Oh, she.
氷の女帝が。
Oh, there's more dragons. So she's as strong as Veldora?
お前たちは相変わらず仲が悪いな。レオンよ、我が相棒に嫉妬でもしているのか？
ふざけるな。
2年ほど前に反応が。
Oh, that's her little brother.
確かなのか？
We're learning a lot of shit here. That means she might be stronger if she's the older one.
ファルムス王国に働きかけ、リムルとやらが起こした国を滅ぼそうとけしかけたよ。
Okay, before I forget all this stuff, first of all, we just learned a ton of crap all in a short amount of time, but just a couple quick comments here. Seeing Leon, seeing this new guy, another dragon that's a sister of Veldora. Like we've been the last few episodes, we've been introduced to all these guys that make Clayman look like a bug. When is this gonna stop? Like, the power differences between everything, the demon lords. We've been like the entire first season, we were thinking Clayman, first season and a half, we're thinking Clayman is the strongest guy, but we obviously knew about the others, and it's gonna be great to see like all this stuff play out. But holy shit, we are really learning things here. There's so many questions. Once a human.
勇者の封印が不完全だった可能性もあるわね。
それもあるだろうが、もう一つ仮説を立ててみた。
それならば誰かが封印を解いたことに。
Okay, so they're talking about Veldora being inside Rimuru for so long.
それなら確かに見極めねばなるまいよ。
These guys are on another level. Shit's gonna be crazy if all these guys are in one place.
以前と比べ物にならないほど微弱だわ。でも暴れ出さないのは不思議ね。
お前の本当の目的である特定召喚の目処は立ったのか？
そっちはまだまだだ。じゃ
What is he trying to summon?
各国が子供たちを異世界から召喚することに腹を立てたそうで、それぞれの国に対しても圧力を加えの邪魔者こそ今話題にしていたリムルなのさ。
So he is aware of everything. That would be frightening, though. Like, this is gonna be crazy. Them in the same room. This is all the ingredients to be crazy as fuck.
国の人間らしいが詳しくは知らん。自分では商人だと名乗っていたがね。
Hold on a second. Okay, so we already knew that there was a spy for other people. We figured out what that was, but now he's saying merchant. Is this a different spy specifically for him? And the only one that could when I'm thinking on the top of my head, the most suspicious person, which when I was thinking of traitors, I thought of this person first, was that one merchant guy that was like, I forget the guy's name. Was it in season 1 or the beginning of season 2? I think it was the beginning of season 2. I can't remember. You guys know what I'm talking about. That one merchant guy that like they ate dinner with him, and I can't remember the guy's name. You guys gotta if you guys remember who I'm talking about, let me know. But you'll know the guy had a super suspicious face, and if that's if there's another traitor or another guy, I don't know if you can technically call him a traitor, but another guy that's dishing information because he called himself a merchant, that would make the most sense to me. Someone we've been wanting to know more information about for the entire show almost.
あいつが俺を頼ってきたらその時に手助けしてやればいい。
I don't know what to think about him though. He feels like unpredictable.
するならともかく、私は魔王には興味がありませんし。
そっか。では留守は任せた。数百年ぶりに胸の高鳴りを感じる。
Oh yeah, that's another thing. They're all extremely old. Walpurgis, like this is gonna be epic. With all these guys that are gonna be there, now that they're kind of going through them and we're meeting and we're seeing this power, this power difference between everybody and on the scale, and then meeting Leon and meeting people we've heard names before of, and then on top of it, new people, and then having, being other dragons and siblings of Veldora. Like some of this stuff, like I feel like some stuff is brought back from like season 1. I would have to like rewatch to remember, because some of this information, I find this very, God, it just makes me excited to what the hell is else is gonna happen this season. There's so much going on. Somebody's fun doll. Whoa. Holy shit. This magic is getting more and more advanced. I guess that's how you evolve your Pokemon. And she's not stuck to the area. Oh, no wonder why he had to do that. Does that mean we can see her more now? Now that she's not just limited to hanging out in this area? Always panting. So they have this completely planned out to the T. It's crazy to think about how much has happened so far to have this type of army to fight. Everyone has tricks. Even with an OP skill like that, pretty much being able to play chess in your head. Oh yeah, you don't want to get close to him. Oh, I thought she was gonna say, I won't do your laundry. This is still risky though. She seems persistent. But it's not immunity though. I mean, this is some of his strongest people. So, cult members or Milim simps? Where are their eyes? Or they just have very specific masks, like that just go on the eyes. Which make them allies. Couldn't that ruin what the skill he's using to think ahead? Or maybe he can think ahead changing the plan. Oh, okay, never mind. He's playing like 20D chess. Oh. It's called the skill that he got. They all continue to get like ridiculously OP skills because of Rimuru. They're like generals or commander pieces, and they get additional skills the stronger Rimuru gets. If you were thinking of it like a strategy game. Holy. You can't beat him in chess. Holy shit. Gabiru, everyone's gotten stronger. Go. God damn. That was some ninja ass. He expected it. You might have gained a fan. God damn, how far is he able to see with that? Gotta hold it in. Goose Brava. True. Yeah, he already knew that, yeah. Gotta join the battle. He gets to let out all his anger. Instead of just on his head, he gets to do it everywhere. Some revenge. I hate that they can talk to him like that. Wait, they are acting dumb. Why does it feel like they're baiting him here? About to get cat scratched. Burn. Fortunately, it's not just him. Time for some sweet revenge. You always gotta have your tank. I think all the fingers on your hand are about to break. Now that we know there's so many people that are stronger than Clayman, these guys don't seem threatening at all. Like, at least not as threatening. Not compared to what's out there anyway. I have a bad feeling for them. Oh, so he's ready to bail. Oh, I see what he's doing. He's not going to have a chance, though. Someone's blocking it. He must have thought of this. Yep. That's her specialty. I feel like she couldn't be like the fastest one like that. Maybe you could use some type of speed upgrade. That's what she was wanting. I have a feeling this might be a little one-sided. God. This is like the... Holy crap. This is the bullshit they try to... Oh! Help! Yes, because he knows how to be a man. He thinks he's being the hero here. Well, you already had no chance. I love seeing Gobta like ridiculously strong. It's so satisfying. Going from what he looks like and what he used to be like. All you have to do is look at Gobta and see where they came from, where they started, and where they're at now in power. I think maybe he doesn't want a 100% fight. You never know, though. I feel like Gobta's really improved. He might have had a chance here. Now that we're getting into the fights and with Walpurgis coming up and meeting all these new people and like the demon lords, all this stuff is making these episodes, like those 2 episodes flew by so fast. And it's because I'm just, when you have so much to look forward to and you know, like things are just going to get better and crazier, I'm very much excited to see where the hell this goes. And I think that's what made these episodes just really go quickly. Is that happening for anybody else? Like I think I'm just so hyped up. Yeah, we got a lot of like individual fights, but since we know this is so one-sided, and because of the skill of being able to go 5, 6, 7 steps ahead and being able to plan everything out in your head, this makes this a lot simpler and less stressful in the way that we know that they're going to be able to do this. Don't get me wrong. I'm stressed as hell when it comes to what's going to happen in Walpurgis. What, like, all these demon lords in one place, all these strong people, that makes me nervous as hell. But right now in this fight against Clayman and against there, I feel confident as I possibly can feel. So it's nice to see them get all these fights. And who else feels with Gobta, like seeing him fight and how strong he is? It just reminds you of where the show has started. Because you look at him, it looks like episode 2, episode 3 of that small, weak goblin village. And then you go from that to where everybody is at now. It's just such a crazy difference. So when I see Gobta, it reminds me of the beginning. And I like that. I really do. But anyway, thank you for watching. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash that like button, hit that notification bell. If you want to watch these episodes early and uncut, definitely check out our Patreon, patreon.com/ajrich123. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.